Welcome back to another video, guys. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but I got a couple intro videos to my lures, my top 5 lures that I like to use. Plus, in today's video, I have a frogging video for you guys. And I was fishing a little marsh, and I forgot to do my intro out when I got it to the water, but I'm back home and I'm doing my intro now for you guys. I did a lot of frog fishing. I had a lot of blow-ups today. A lot of fish ate, and I missed a lot of them. But I caught a lot also. But anyways, I really hope you guys do enjoy today's video, and I will see you guys out on the water. Guys, I got another one on the frog. Took the swim bait off and threw on the frog, and instant, literally 2, maybe 3 casts. Look at that. Get another picture here. Get him unhooked. Not a bad one. Thanks, buddy. Right on the side of the grass here. I'm using a Terminator frog, a green Terminator frog, and cast it out there right on the edge of the lily pads here, and just let her sit there for a second. Popped her and watched the wake of that fish come in and just engulf my frog. I waited a second just so I made sure that he had it. Once I knew he had it for sure, then I just ripped on him and got him in. A lot of times they'll try to eat it, but then they'll miss it on the first go. And a lot of people will set the hook and then they will lose them that way. But what I do is I cast it out there, and when they come up to eat it, I try to keep an eye on my frog. But I always give it at least a second or two just to make sure that they actually did get it and that they didn't try to eat it and miss. Just like that. That was freaking awesome. Killed it. The frog bite is on. Full sun. It was nice and cloudy earlier, but the sun decided to come out and play. But it's okay. Working my frog nice and slow through all this mat. Oh, one right there to my side. What the heck? I just threw my frog there like 4 or 5 casts ago. That's pretty insane. Probably saw me when he came up though. Got him. That was sweet. Another one on the frog. Not a big one. Bunch of 1-pounders. Almost 2-pounders. Look at that, guys, right there. Sure, I'm still going here. Sure am. Get all that water out, fix up my frog here. Guys, I got one. It's a good one too. Killed the frog. As soon as it landed, I didn't even pop it, nothing. I just let it sit out there and came up and smoked it. Get him unhooked. Show you guys. Thanks, buddy. Super skinny. They need to get a feast on, which I'm sure they will. That's why they're eating like they are. That's a giant. That's a giant. There's multiple out there. No, he popped off. Dude, that was like a 5-pounder. What? No frickin' way, dude. No way that just happened. I don't know, I kept him pinned. I kept everything going, so. That was dumb. Dang it, dude. Just working my frog the same way. Nice and slow. I'm sure he just had too much grass or something in his mouth when he came up and ate, and that's why I couldn't get him in all the way. I should get a bite on that cast. There was a bunch of them out there. Literally, as soon as I hooked that one that I just lost, I watched 3 more explode right out the water. Something about frog fishing is super fun. I think it's just watching that explosion. Oh no, stinker. Came up and ate it, but it looked like it was just a small one. Setting the hook as hard as you can. Drop my backpack for a second. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Get in here. That's a good one. Choke the frog. I don't know how many I had that I should have landed. What the heck? Fix my frog here. Zing another one out there and see if we can't get us another one. Oh. Oh. He did have it. Came up. Smoked it. Where I wasn't super sure if he had it or not, but he did. all the way out. Oh, come on. What? Dude, that's too far of a freaking, that's too far of a hook set. My hook can't penetrate the. Got him. Get over here. Get over here. Another one. Killed it. Show you guys. All about 1.5 pounds to almost 2 pounds. I only had one, that giant that I lost. Knowing that the bite's like this, I should probably go fish the mats on the other side too. Got him. Literally cast after cast. Oh, he popped off again. Come on, man. Literally, these mats aren't even that good. These mats aren't. Well, they're good, but they're not good. They're not exploding on it. They're just coming up in mouth, breathing on it. Wow, I think this is the most bass that I've caught within a small radius of them blowing up. Oh my goodness, they're blowing up right next to shore too. Okay. What? I know he ate it that time because I watched my frog disappear. What? Got him. Got him. Guys, this Tatula Daiwa Tatula rod heavy is really doing the work for me right now. Look at that, guys. Choked it. Gone. Thanks, buddy. Not a giant. Good one, though. Get her back out there and see if we can get us another one to blow up on this. Guys, I caught another one. I actually caught 3 more. Wasn't recording, but he choked my frog just like the other ones. About the same size. Average, probably 2 pounds. Nothing too crazy. But still throwing that frog. Bright, sunny. Still throwing that frog around, trying to get some action. Wow. Right next to shore. Since it's just full sun, I'm working this frog super slow now. Like if it was super cloudy, overcast, I'd be working it a little bit faster than I am right now. Guys, I got another one. Smaller, but choked the frog. Probably a 1 pounder. Tell he's been caught a couple times. Thanks, buddy. Pretty cool. He blew up on it the first time. Missed it. I just paused it. Let it sit there, popped it, and he came up and just blew up on it again. Guys, just caught another one. Switched up to a worm, floating worm. Right here. Absolutely destroyed it. Don't have much room left on my SD card, so I'm doing just little tiny clips and stuff of me reeling fish and not actually having me fish out there, but I will try to make something else out of this. Stay tuned because it's going to be good. Guys, there's another good one. Gone. I'm trying to get this hook popped out of him. Ouch, no, and tore it up again. Frack. Dang, tore my hand yesterday, now I'm getting that hook out. Tore my scab open. Guys, I got another one on the chatter donk. Got a hole right inside him. He's been caught before, but not a bad one. Probably a pound and a half, almost 2 pounds. A lot of them are super skinny. Which, I mean, it did get done spawning, I'd say almost 2 weeks ago, so just putting on the feeding bag now. Guys, I got another one. I only got like a minute left of recording, but I made a castaway out there, and as soon as I landed, he came up and blew up right on it. I'm using a different setup today. Oh, it's not a bad one. It's probably a 2-pounder, close to 2 pounds. Choked the frog. Show you guys, it's not a bad one. My setup is different. I'm using a Defy black with the Origin F1 13 fishing reel. This is a 13 fishing setup. My setup I have is a 7-1, and then I have it as a fast action. And sorry for the wind. I didn't expect it to be this windy out, but I'm doing a little bit of frog fishing again, and gonna see if I can't get a couple on top water today. But I hope, stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Guys, I got a good one. My camera might turn off in a second here, but I think it's pike. Oh no, that's a good bass right there. Oh yeah, that's definitely a 3-pounder. Look at that chunk of horse there, guys. Look at that freaking toad. Choked the frog. I'm gonna get a couple pictures of this one and let her go and get back to you guys in a little bit. Guys, I got another one. Get out of there. It's not a giant, but it's another one. Get him up onto the bank. Absolutely crushed the frog out there. It's not a giant, like I said, but alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, it would mean so much to me if you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below for me. I really hope you guys learned something from the video today, and if you guys have any comments or anything, just let me know. I will do them. I actually have a tournament coming up this weekend, so I will probably film that tournament and see how I do. And I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you guys are, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for my next video because it'll be a good one. I'll see you on the water.